Friends, this is Renee from Little Village Homestead, and today I'm going to show you how I put together my house blend, and you can use this in pretty much any recipe. Be right back. Okay, well, I'm going to show you my little trick for my house blend because I am out. And this is real simple. And it's wonderful. I use this for everything. And my big old salt and pepper shakers. I love these things. I set the lids down here. Okay, all I use is salt, pepper, and garlic. That's my basic house blend. And I use this in everything. Well, I have to make more because I am out. So, first thing is, let me slide this over here so you can see. I do about a half cup of salt. Come on out of there. And I do about 1/8 of a cup of pepper. And then I do the same, about 1/8 cup of my garlic. Really not, you know, this is my own garlic. So there we go. That's all I do. This makes a wonderful blend. What did I do with my little lid for it? Ha! I lost it. See how that looks? Just give it a little shake. Shake, shake, shake it up. Shake it all up real nice. And it blends in beautifully. Take a look. And I use that in everything, especially my macaroni salad that I'm making today for our little picnic dinner. So I needed to make more. And I thought, well, I'll just show you that little tip. So there you are, friends. Thanks for watching.